Welcome back to the channel, guys. So our mould is all waxed up and we are now ready to apply the gel coat across here. So we're going to apply 2 coats of gel coat and then we'll come in with 5 or 6 layers 450 gram chopped strand mat, and we'll be using the Optimold resin, which has got low shrinkage, so hopefully we will then be able to get the fiberglass mould off the tool. So let's get started. So what's the plan?
The plan is to do a bit of laminating on our right hand side master bed mould.
Yep.
Plug.
Yep.
Sorry. That's the plan.
And we are using which resin?
Optimold again.
Optimold again. Yeah.
This time though we've actually got the boat up to about 24 degrees, so we shouldn't have any problems with setting. We did a layer of gel coat about 7 o'clock this morning and it set beautifully.
The only problems we're going to have is me and you sweating like mad.
Yeah, temperature's not going to be it this time.
No. And we've how many layers of chopped strand are we using?
I'm going to do 5, I think.
5 layers.
We did
yeah.
5 last time.
Five.
Yeah. It's a one-shot mould as well, so
yeah.
I'm only going to make one part out of it, and then
Chuck it away.
Then we might eBay it. Anyone needs a Sealine master cabin mould set?
It's a good plan. So we've got everything in a bucket. We've got our gloves.
We need some storage.
Got some brushes. We've got a radius roller and paddle roller. Steering sticks are over there, mate, in that bucket there.
We need some steering sticks.
So we're gonna make a start. Anybody remember the Smurfs? Okay, so we finished laminating and we managed to get down 2 coats of gel coat and 5 layers of the chop strand mat. We did have a bit of a problem with the first layer of gel coat, I think because we had not preheated the cabin enough and the first layer of gel coat just wouldn't go off. So we left the cabin heated overnight, and then Richard came in first thing this morning and laid another coat of the gel coat down, and then we've come in with the 5 layers of chop strand afterwards. So we're going to leave this now to go off to set up. We're going to post cure this, so we're going to leave it heated for about a week, and then we'll come back next week hopefully and see if we can get the mould off the plug. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified of any future videos, and we'll be back soon with another video on our project boat. Take care and we'll see you on the next one.